Hello everyone. Good morning. We are here for discussing on the 5th May pre-market report. Let's see what's awaiting for us. To start with, let's have a discussion on the previous day, that is yesterday results. So Dabur, it was most expected result, but they failed in meeting QOQ number, and as well as they marginally closed near to their forecast, and QOQ number also degrown. So both QOQ and YOY has shown the degrowth. So Dabur was most expected to grow at least this quarter, but they didn't. But if we look after the March, every year March, they have shown the negative number. Maybe that might also like an indication, but every year they have not shown such a less number, that is 293. They used to show almost at least around 350, 370 like that. But this is the first number, so market may impact in the negative Dabur. That is one point. Hero Motocorp, yes, both QOQ and as well as forecast also they are grown, and YOY also they have grown. They have grown by 20%. Hero Motocorp, they might shoot up now. I think the last 2 days before, market was down almost by 70, 80 points. And again, yesterday it was a flat, and now it might go for a skyrocket. So let's see what exactly happens on Hero Motocorp. It might touch a higher highs now. Tata Power, you have to look after Tata Power both standalone and as well as consolidated. When you look after standalone and consolidated, the numbers will show very much different number. You might get confused. So refer a consolidated number for a quicker reference and go to the standalone so that you will get the clear idea. So Tata Power compared to last quarter 1052 and this quarter 939, it has shown the QOQ degrowth, and forecast they have grown compared to previous year over year they have grown. So good, year over year also they have grown, but QOQ they have not grown. So the QOQ they have shown the degrowth. So let's see Tata Power, will it make a positive impact or what? We'll see. We know many of the people are holding this stock since a long time, and also dividend has announced. So people might get a dividend now. Good, we can have it around 2 rupees or 2 rupees 50 paisa. They've announced dividend. That we should be happy. But with this dividend effect, the stock might fall after the dividend record date. We don't know. So just have a safety decision on this if you are buying any stocks on Tata Power. TVS Motor, they have grown both December, that is December quarter and March quarter, they have grown. QOQ they have grown, and forecast also they have beaten the forecast, and they have achieved overshooted the number. And QOQ YOY number also last year was 731, and this year 1310 crores. So they have grown even on the by 79%. TVS Motor also might make a higher highs now. Be prepared for a higher highs now. So on an overall, Dabur, QOQ and YOY both has shown the degrowth. Hero Motocorp, QOQ, YOY has recorded a degrowth. As we told, Tata Power is like recorded a growth, and QOQ recorded a degrowth. Only YOY has recorded a growth. So what is today? Today is Britannia. Britannia is again Nifty 50 stock. So what to expect? We are expecting 378 crore. Yes, they will meet this 378 crore because they have a seasoned with, they are already meeting this 300, 400, 500, 900 crore they have already done. So they are seasoned with this number. I think they should be able to meet. But the problem is, if they meet 378, again they will be delaying, or they will be lapsing on the QOQ number. So they have to meet more than 932 crore. If they do so, then definitely it will make a gap up. Otherwise, it will fill all the previous gaps, whatever created. It will fall and then fill the gap. So be careful on this Britannia. There may be chances that if the traders results are not outperforming, it may fill the gaps. That's the scenario. This is one you have to look after. And Marico, why exactly we mentioned, though it's not in Nifty 50, but Marico is, if you are noticed, everybody uses. It's like a very good B2C consumer and fundamentally good stock. So that's why we mentioned coconut oil, Parachute. I think you must have heard about this. So it's a very good company in FMCG like a Dabur. So it's good to track. You buy it. If you are buying it, just it's going to be a multi-bagger, what people are referring. So buy at the lesser price. Don't buy it now. Currently, it's trading around 500 rupees. Don't buy at this price. This is little higher, but have a corrective decision. But they are continuously growing company. They are growing company, and also their forecast, whatever they have taken till date, already they have done 1017 crore, and the forecast was 1274. If they hit 257 crore, they will be able to meet YOY number. But If they beat this 333 crore, then QOQ number also will be met. It might make a higher highs. So take a collective decisions on this. So 2024 forecast will have to wait. So 5th May events. 5th May, there is a Forex reserves today and bank loan growth, deposit growth. The increased in bank loan growth can be a sign of economic expansion, and increased loan growth can be a positive indicator of strong earnings. So this is on a positive side. Okay. And on the deposit growth, a high deposit growth rate indicates an increase in consumer spending and investment, which leads to economic growth. So both are belongs to economic growth related, and deposit growth increases. Also, it is good indication of economic growth. And if the bank loan growth also indicates, it's a strong earnings of towards economics growth. So let's see what is awaiting for us this year. And Forex, we have a separate video. Please have a watch on that Forex reserves. Global performance. SGX Nifty minus 32.5. See, SGX Nifty, even since past 3 days, it is showing negative, and then market end up closing at positive. You might be thinking what market is not listening to SGX Nifty. Please remember, SGX Nifty is a temporary effect towards Nifty, because the SGX Nifty starts early morning at 8 o'clock. Whereas Nifty starts at 9:15. So we will be having a temporary time of 1 hour 15 minutes. That indication, whatever happened overnight, that will reflect there. That doesn't mean that it will influence the entire day. As soon as the market opens, maybe 5 minutes, that bubble will be there. After that, market will become usual. Other buyers will depend. It is not depending upon SGX Nifty completely on entire day. It's a short-term bubble. Please don't get confused with this. SGX Nifty, we are seeing every day minus 30, 80 points, and still end of the day, Nifty is though opening at negative and closing at higher. So don't get confused. Dow Jones, yes, it is minus 286. So this will, as this has got a 93% correlation with Indian Nifty 50. So be careful. If Dow Jones is down, Indian Nifty also may go down, because if you see global index all showing negative, Indian Nifty is still showing positive. That doesn't mean that India is outperforming, or outside India is not performing. It is not like that. There is some price actions, maybe some time differences, maybe some economic parameters difference. Maybe because of that, it might be going on a upper side and downside. Don't think that, okay, it is going against or outperforming. Though it is outperforming, but not that much level, because interdependent. Dow Jones stocks like whatever in Nifty 50, also depending upon US stocks. So there is interconnection is there. So if that is going faster fall, it might go slower fall, because it is not 100% match numbers. So don't get confused. And again, Nasdaq, there is nothing much to do with the Nasdaq and Indian stock, but still we are referring it as a global US index. And S&P 500 also, there is nothing much impact on Indian stock market, because correlation is almost around hardly 20%. And Nikki, yes, it's a short-term influence to Nifty 50. And long-term, no, don't refer, but it's a short-term influence. Japan stock is good, and crude oil is flat, you can call. Gold is also a flat, we cannot call, because the reason behind it, they have grown 535. Is it an indication that Nifty is going to fall? Since past 2-3 days, if you are seeing, gold is increasing continuously, but Nifty is still not falling. The logic is reversed or what? No, it is not like that. Because the global parameters and Nifty and gold, all these things has to sync at one point of time. As per the GAN numbers, it has to sync. Then only it will start fall. So also, but it influences that when gold is going up and Nifty also should fall. That's an indication it will happen, but not immediate. You will be seeing in the chart why exactly it is taking time to do that. Okay, the flow will be there. That flow has to be met. After that flow, again, it will work as per the what market wants to behave. Okay, so USD INR, it is flat so far. That is minus 0.02. Nifty 50, 18,255, which was closed on yesterday. And we are seeing 18,432 as the support, key resistance, 18,078 as the key support. Bank Nifty 43,685, it is indicating that it is going to touch 44,240 and 43,130 as the lowest. So let's see what's exactly happening at market on the chart. See, Bank Nifty, if we notice here, sorry, Nifty, it is making a price action. So it has to break this higher levels. Will it break this? Because gold is falling, sorry, gold is going up and global stocks are going down. Is it an indication that market will take a bounce back here in this channel up and start going down? So be prepared for anything, but until and unless this gets rejected, will not take any decision on going on a long or short. It might take some time. Be prepared, but global sentiments are negative so far. Don't jump the gun so quickly. Have your position tightly hedged and with the proper stop loss if you're going for a long or short, and even if you're going for options. And this week is the entire 5 days of their trade, no holidays this week. So you can have your option position, usual techniques or usual strategies you can apply. There is no holiday, so you cannot much get the time value benefit this week in terms of option I referred. So top stocks to watch for the day, that is Dabur, QOQ and YOY has recorded a degrowth. So this might impact on the negative because Nifty 50 stocks, but weightage is very less. It might not impact that much, but still on a particular stock, Dabur might make a lower loss. Be prepared for it. Hero MotoCorp, both QOQ, YOY has recorded a growth. It might make a higher highs, though it is since past 2 days, it is growing. It is falling steep like 70, 80 points. And then yesterday was a flat. So it might be an indication that result will be good. So it might make a higher highs now. So be prepared for it. Tata Power, YOY has recorded a growth and QOQ has recorded a degrowth. So Tata Power, as we mentioned, please have a look on the both standalone and as well as consolidated. Then only you will get the clear picture. Otherwise, you will be confused. If you see standalone, you'll see what Tata Power has not grown. If you see consolidated, what Tata Power has grown this much, what is this so much different number? So don't get confused. Have a detailed look on standalone and as well as consolidated, because they will post most on the consolidated and standalone both. TVS Motors, they have recorded a growth both on QOQ and YOY recorded. So this might make a higher highs. Let's await what's going to happen. Britannia results are expected today. Marico is like, coconut oil parachute. It's like, people are expecting it's going to be a multi-bagger. Already it has grown from 50 rupees to 500. Let's see how far it can go, another multi-bagger. So let's have a watch on this. Fundamentally good stock. Everybody is watching that. You can have a fundamentals also on this before taking a position. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to click on like and share, subscribe for regular updates. Please comment and like us.